Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I got something cool here. Okay, I have the brand new stainless steel 40mm Apple Watch with the modern buckle. I believe the red modern buckle. And yeah, I also have the brown one here too. So this is just a quick unboxing to see what they look like. And yeah, let's check it out. Ooh, gotta love the presentation. Absolutely love it. That's one thing about Apple, they know how to package stuff. So you see the brown and the red. My wife is going to be happy. So let's see what the band looks like. Actually, let's see what the watch looks like, because I know that's why most of you are here. Okay. Different. This box is also thinner than last year. I remember it was thicker, that's for sure. Probably because there's no power plug. Designed by Apple in California, instructions and all that stuff. Okay, so it does come with a charging power cord here, but no power brick. As you know, Apple said they were eliminating that to help the environment. Yeah, pretty sure it helped their wallet. But yeah, here we go. Let's see what this looks like. And there it is in all its glory. Okay, let me bring it in closer so you could get a better look. Okay, so here it is. And it's identical to the Series 5 as far as cosmetics, the way it looks, except for the sensors on the back. Now, my wife does have a Series 1 that I bought her, gosh, years ago. And I'll put it right next to it so you can see the 38mm modern buckle next to this 40mm here. And yeah, this is my wife's old one on the right here. And as you could already see, the 2mm makes a big difference. There's definitely more screen over here. And if we look at the back, you see those sensors on the right hand side versus the ones on the left here. Okay, so now let's take a look at the brown, what do they call this? Modern buckle. Yeah, brown modern buckles for the 40mm. Let's see what this looks like in here. And there she blows. Now that's a nice brown. As you can see, the background here is like a chocolate brown. This is more of a darker chocolate, little rugged brown. And this is more tan, like a lighter brown. Looks nice. Okay, don't worry, I'll bring it in closer in a second. Might as well go ahead and open up the red one here. Ooh, now look at those. And would you look at that? The red side by side with the brown. And yeah, it's not super bright red in your face, but it definitely looks good. Looks more classy than in your face. You know what I mean? My wife is gonna love this. This is actually a surprise for her. She doesn't know, but yeah, I'm gonna give it to her in a little bit. All right, so here's a closer look at the red modern buckle. And like I said, it's not in your face red, but it's classy, subtle. But yeah, I definitely just wanted to give you a closer look at it. God, I love the design of the modern buckle. It's very classy, very elegant. You know what I mean? All right, let me grab the brown one for you. And here's a better look at the brown. It looks more tan here as I'm looking at it on the screen, but trust me, it's more of like a saddle brown, if you will. You know what I mean? But it looks good. Another classy look. Goes with anything, you know? Okay, so here's my wife's 40mm Series 6 with a modern buckle on my wrist, and it's extremely tight because my wife has small wrist, but she did not want to volunteer her wrist for the video here, so you're stuck with me. But anyways, you can see it there. Looks great. So yeah, you guys, like I said, this is just a quick unboxing so you can see the watch. No big deal, not get into all the super technical geeky stuff. But it's a beautiful, elegant, and classy watch, as my wife describes it. And yeah, the only thing difference, like I said, is the new chip inside. I think it's what, like a 6 chip? Yeah. Anyways, new chip inside, so overall it's faster. The screen is 2 times brighter, and ever since the Series 5, it has an always-on display. And also, you can now check your blood oxygen level. Yeah, so let's go do that really quick. So all you physicians out there can go ahead and comment in the comment section below and let me know if it means I'm gonna die in the next 20 minutes or I'm okay. 99%. I don't know what that means, but usually when you take a test when you were in school, 99% is pretty good, right? All right, yeah. So anyways, that's it. This is the watch. Super awesome. Love it. And yeah, any questions, just go ahead and ask below. It's just a quick unboxing so you can see it. And yeah, I'll go ahead and take some shots of the watch in different angles, maybe a little brighter lighting so you can see it a little better. And that's it.